Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. If you are a fan of Apple, this is one of the best episodes for you because in today's episode, we will be unboxing some of the latest products of Apple, including the iPhone 12 mini, the HomePod Mini, the new MacBook Pro with the M1 chip, and I actually already did an unboxing of this, but I'll show it anyway, the new Apple AirPods Max. So if you're excited, keep on watching. Let's go. But before we get started, let me just remind you that we are on our Countdown to 2021 series, which means I announce giveaways every episode starting from December 25. So if you haven't watched my December 25, 26, 27 episodes, I announce a giveaway for Lenovo products, I announce a giveaway for a Jordan 1 Dark Mocha, and I even announced a giveaway for Yeezy slides as well as an Ultra Boost in your size, which basically means that in today's episode, we will be giving away an Apple product. So make sure that you watch the entire episode, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram. Mechanics will be said sometime during this video. Now let's go. Okay, so let's get started with this. This is the iPhone 12 mini. So the iPhone 12 mini is the smaller version of the iPhone, obviously, and it comes in this really tiny box, and that is something that I have to get used to when seeing iPhone products. So the SRP of this one is 53,990 pesos. This is for the 256GB model, and this is in the sky blue or blue colorway, which is the same color as my AirPods Pro Max and my iPhone 12 Pro. So just like with any other Apple product, it has an AC pull tab for a very pleasurable unboxing experience. If you pop the lid open, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This is the iPhone 12 mini, and it is small. OMG! It gives me the vibes of the iPhone 5S, slightly bigger, slightly larger than the 5S or the 4S. But the build is very similar because of the rough, boxy edges as opposed to the curved ones that you saw with the previous generations of the iPhone. You have the two cameras over here. You have that fingerprint magnet of a back, and then of course you have the display over here. If you take a look at what else is in the box, there's no longer a charger. You just get a USB-C to Lightning cable. By the way, if you are thinking of buying a new iPhone from the 12 series, I would actually recommend that you guys go for the 12 mini or the 12 over the 12 Pro or the Pro Max. The Pro series is really more for the hardcore Apple power users or content creators. But if you're just going to use it for everyday, every now and then you take pictures, you watch videos, you do your games, nothing professional grade, then you might want to settle for the 12 mini 12 versions because they're more affordable and it's really just more practical. Next up, we have the Apple AirPods Max. Now this one I got from DG Gadgets. I will link down below to their Instagram account. I actually already did an unboxing of this, but I am working on my full review. So just in case you guys weren't able to catch the unboxing, this is what it looks like. So it actually matches the color of my iPhone 12 mini and my iPhone 12 Pro. It is in this sky blue color, very premium materials, very premium build, nice mesh upper for the top part of the headphones to make it really comfortable. I've been loving it so far. I've been using it the last few days. The noise canceling on this thing is next level, and I've started to really appreciate the sound quality. But as of this point, is it worth the price tag? To be honest, not really. But if you want the very best noise canceling headphones out in the market that's made by Apple, this is it. Again, from DG Gadgets, I will link down below to their account. To the main event, we have the MacBook Pro with the M1 chip. This is the 512GB storage model with 8GB of RAM. So I am going to replace my old MacBook Pro finally. I will show you a video right now of what my MacBook Pro looks like. It is broken down, it is deformed. It doesn't work unless it is plugged, so it's not really a laptop, it's more of a desktop. You have to connect to an external monitor because the monitor is actually busted. So I've been working on this MacBook Pro for the last year and a half. So it's been in dire need of an upgrade, and we finally have the upgrade over here. The MacBook Pro M1 13-inch. Again, I got this from DG Gadgets. I will link down below to their account. So you have an easy pull tab over here, so we can take out the plastic. Ooh, super excited to finally set this bad boy up. You have this picture of the MacBook at the top, and then if we pop this open, buksan na yan, buksan na yan. Ay, bumukas, ayan na, ayan na. Boom! The only thing that beats the smell of new leather Jordans fresh out of the box is the smell of a MacBook Pro. Akala mo naman may amoy no? Amoy bakal. Ano kaya amoy nun? Anyway, so here you guys have it. This is the new MacBook. Oh, it's really light. Really light laptop. And it's very thin as well. So as you guys can see, very user-friendly, very easy to use. This plastic, of course. Woo! Finally, a new laptop. It's been a while. So ganda niya, oh. You have the Apple logo. You have that really nice Apple finish. If you pop this open, whoo! By the way, unlike the iPhone, at least the MacBook Pro still comes with a charger, di ba? Okay, and the last gadget that I will be unboxing for all of you is this. This is the Apple HomePod Mini. So the HomePod Mini is kind of like their smart speakers, but a smaller version, because the original HomePod, which was kind of big, it fell flat. It didn't sell well. So hopefully with this particular model, they sell more units, and it's more, I think it's like better integrated to Siri or something. Now it's no longer in the box because I've been playing around with it. This is what it looks like. So you need to plug it via this cord over here, and then when you turn it on, you can talk to it, hey Siri, play music and stuff like that. In terms of sound quality, I'm not too blown away. It's nice, it's good. But it is not like groundbreaking to the point where I would 1000% recommend it to every single one of you. But hey, if you are an Apple fan, you love listening to music, you love playing around with Siri, one of the best smart home gadgets to get yourself. Got this from DG Gadgets again. I think that they're selling it for around 10,000 pesos per unit, or a little less than that. By the way, I have a really nice surprise for you guys. So this is one HomePod Mini. This is another HomePod Mini that's brand new. Yes, we are raffling away a brand new Apple HomePod Mini in today's episode. That's the major announcement. So if you guys want one, listen up. Here are the mechanics. Number 1, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Number 2, follow me on Instagram. Number 3, follow DG Gadgets and Ayabel's PH on Instagram. The link can be found down below. Number 4, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and share it whenever, Facebook, IG stories, wherever you want to share it. And then just leave a comment down below what your favorite Apple product is that I showed and why. Again, the raffle is for the HomePods Mini, not the iPhone, the MacBook, or the AirPods Max. Magkalinawan lang tayo. And just like my other mechanics, guys, please do not try to cheat. If you will comment with multiple accounts, you will be disqualified. And just comment once, because if you comment multiple times, you will also get disqualified. So just comment once, don't comment with multiple accounts, play it fair, play it safe. Nag-enjoy lang tayo dito, hindi to kinakarir, okay? And by the way, in one of the mechanics, I said multiple entries equals DQ. I said that in one of my videos. May mga genius sa inyo na nag-comment ng DQ sobrang daming beses sa isa kong vlog, thinking that by commenting DQ, it is an entry. Paano aasenso Pilipinas kung ganyan ang mga tao? Okay, and with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video for today. Again, shout out to DG Gadgets for sponsoring the giveaway. They're the ones who are actually giving away this Apple HomePod Mini. So guys, make sure to give them a follow on Instagram and support them in whatever way that you can. Sobrang thankful tayo dahil nagpaparaffle sila para sa inyo. And with that said, I hope you guys are doing fine. Don't forget to watch the previous 3 episodes. I have a playlist. I'll put it somewhere up here so you can watch the entire thing. May tatlo tayong pag-giveaway. We're giving away Lenovo products. We're giving away a Jordan 1 Dark Mocha. We're giving away Yeezys slides as well as an Ultra Boost in your size. And now, we're also giving away an Apple HomePod Mini. Stay tuned to tomorrow's video where we will be announcing another brand new giveaway. By the way, the winner for this one will be announced January 1st. Peace, God bless, what's up? Boom.